Here. Wherever you're watching us live from, there's a serial note outside of the party headquarters. So let's see what's the reaction from this other group. Okay, so we are seeing another tension here. This is something. This is a serious tension here. This is a serious tension. We have to get back. So how prepared are you? How prepared are you for tomorrow? So how prepared? This is the current atmosphere here. So this is the current atmosphere here. This is the current atmosphere. Wherever you are watching us live from, this is the current atmosphere here. This is the current atmosphere here. If you are watching us live, keep sharing this live coverage. This is the current atmosphere.
So the excavator now have started breaking down this structure. That partisan normally gather to have a lot of events. So this has been brought down by the excavator. So the entire Sycamore tree down is being brought down by the excavator, the stage, and this is another building where a lot of partisans, especially that was erected during the time of Chanamoba model, that this building were turned over to supporters who normally sell at this environment, and this building were given to them to sell their food, their drinks, and what have you. But today, this building are being demolished, and also you're seeing the Sycamore tree has also been brought down right here completely, and this is what you were watching from this end. And the stage that was also built for partisans to be seated whenever they come under the Sycamore tree is also being demolished as we speak. The stage that CDC normally used to have the program, though we've been told that the hierarchies of the CDC was planning to renovate this place, but the remaining portion of it is being brought down by this excavator as you are watching from this end. So the stage is both rear, both tailor. This stage was under renovation, so the remaining portion that is being brought down, as you can see from the excavator. So the step, so it seems to be there's scoring in that wire. There's scoring in that wire. So the excavator, the guard is moving back. So he's going closer to
the electricity
to the building.
Is there. The excavator will have to be very mindful there because there's current. Those are wires there.
So this is the main building hosting the offices of the political leader, the chairperson of the Congress for Democratic Change. So the excavator now have started breaking down this structure.
That looks like a revolver.
Hey, four already.
That looks like a revolver.
Okay, put everything in.
A revolver.
Person get it back. They will be close by me. The person I'm holding it back, they will be close by me. Oh, you got right? Yeah, close to it. Every person
Police has discovered a petrol bomb
This
here
obviously might have been
at
prepared
the
for the
headquarters.
intention of retaliating towards the police, but again,
And these are some of the weapons found at the headquarters. Father says,
so this is a petrol bomb made out of Heineken bottles.
c'est le poussière.
So we gotta come and take a step back.
This is the raffle that was
All right, thank you.